Hello, I'm Johnny Chaffin from Collins Manufacturing. Today we're working on the WD-9 wig dryer, and we're going to show how to replace the heater assembly. It comes out as a complete unit. One of the things that we're going to suggest is you need a 7/16 wrench to take the unit out, and then we're using a little cardboard box to kind of help hold it up on one side while we take the bolts out, which we'll show you in just a minute. And I've already pre-loosened the bolts on the top, so you take these out. And take one of your bolts and kind of use it to get a grip on the top. Normally this works so well until we turn the camera on. There we go. Set this out of the way. Now, the heater box is this assembly here. You can see the cords feeds in from the back. You'll have to pull that out. And then there's 8 bolts, 4 on each side. They're hex head bolts, 7/16. There's 4 on the other side. And that allows you to remove this complete assembly, which we'll do in just a second. Thank you. Okay, so we removed our heater box assembly. Like I said, it comes out as a complete assembly. You'll notice that this front is the front that was on here. So if you call to order one of these, if you have your original order number, that way we can make sure we match the laminate. If you're going to replace this, we'll need to know that color. But it's serviceable as a complete unit or as individual components. We have another video where we're going to show you how to do the maintenance on that. But that's basically how you take one of these heater boxes out. Again, I'm Johnny Chaffin from Collins. Thank you very much.